Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be another vlog. I know, I'm just getting good at vlogging, I guess. No, not really. I just really like vlogging. So I'm just looking out the window. It's like kind of weird outside. It's a little bit cloudy in here in the sunny AZ. But today is Thursday, the 11th, I think, July 11th, and I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I figured I'd bring you guys along. So I'm going to California tomorrow for 3 days with my family and my boyfriend. My sister lives out there, so we're all taking a trip to go see her. And I also will be back in California at the end of July, so there'll be 2 vlogs. But anyways, I have a lot of stuff to do. I need to ship some things out that people bought on my Poshmark. I need to go to the store and pick up some things that I need for my trip and get a new nail polish color that kind of matches my nails. They're really bright, but the camera's not picking up how bright they are. Oh, maybe now there is. I'm gonna do my own toes, so yeah, I need a color for that, and then I need to do some wash. I need to pack, and just the basics. So figured I'd take you guys along. I'm actually really hungry, so I'm about to go eat my second meal. And yeah, oh, I wanted to show you guys, look at how cute this Apple Watch band is. I got it off, ooh, focus. I got it off Poshmark, someone who upcycles old like bags or whatever, so they have like the new patterns and this one, but I love this one, and it's literally so cute. And I'm literally in just a band tee. I clearly love band tees, and then some leggings. So I'm not in much today, just something super casual. Probably gonna throw some sandals on, which I'm gonna do that right now. My room's a mess once again. When is it not a mess? But I'm just gonna throw on this stupid thing. These sparkly slides. I don't know, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm about to run out, but first I want to look presentable, I guess. I already did my skincare, which you guys saw in my skincare video. I obviously use all of these really fun products, so I'll leave that linked down below for you guys. But every time I leave the house, I always put on a tinted sunscreen. This also was in my skincare video. This is the Drunk Elephant Obra Tint Physical Daily Defense Protection SPF 30. It is tinted. I love it. I don't wear makeup in the summertime really. Like, I haven't put makeup on my face in a very long time, like since early June. So I just use this as like a spot conceal in a way, because it is tinted. It helps even out my skin tone, and sometimes covers up a little bit of my redness that I have, or if I have any pimples. Sometimes I will put on concealer just a little bit, just to spot conceal, but honestly lately I just haven't had the need to. Basically what I do every day for my makeup is put a tinted sunscreen on. And sometimes, like if I'm working, I'll throw on a little bit of mascara, which I'm going to today. Okay, I have like a glitter right here and it won't come off. There we go. I'm gonna throw on, not this one, I don't want this one. I'm gonna throw on my Chanel mascara just real quick, just like a light layer. Just to open my eyes, that didn't look so like dead. And then I'll just, where is it? Brush through my brows, and that's it. I'm ready to go. My hair is currently air drying, it's natural. And yeah, so we are gonna get on with our day. Let me show you the full fit again. This is just what I am wearing. Don't mind this bag because I need to take that. I'm just wearing a band tee, leggings, and these really cute sparkly Steve Madden shoes. Like, look at that. They're so cute. I love them. I got them at DSW because they don't have them in my store. So I'm gonna package up everything that I am selling and putting it in this bag because that's like my, not my accessory, what? No, that is like all the things I need when I need to go sell stuff, like tape and scissors, but I do need to print out some labels. I don't know where my phone is. Phone's over here. Also, the sunscreen makes your face really glowy, which is why I love it. So I'm gonna go into my email here, and my rooms are a mess. I should really clean them today. I keep saying I'm going to clean them, but I just haven't cleaned them. Is hot. So it's 105. I think it's way hotter than that. I should not be wearing leggings. Like I'm dying, and also my leggings have hair all over them, so I probably should have lint rolled them, but clearly I just don't care. So I'm going to head over to the post office, package this stuff up, which you guys will see, which is not super fun, and ship this stuff out. So thank you to whoever bought my stuff on Poshmark. You guys should check it out. I have some really nice stuff up there, so I'll leave that link down below for you. And yeah, so after we go to the post office, we're gonna go to the store. I'm thinking Walmart, but I'm also thinking Target. So I'm trying to think of what is near the post office. So I just packaged all my stuff. Up and sent it out, but now I need to go on to Poshmark and say that I shipped it all. What a good angle. So I'm in Target right now, and I need to pick up a few things for my trip. Windy today. So leaving Target, and I bought a few things, so I'm gonna do a Target haul for you guys. I told you I wasn't just gonna buy nail polish, I probably would come out with a lot more other things. I'm sweating. I just wanted to come on here. It's 114 degrees here in Arizona. Like, look at that. Ridiculous. I'm literally sweating just walking from Target to my car. I'm dying. So I figured I would do a little Target haul for you guys. I got like 5 things, but one of them I'm really excited for. So when I get home, actually let's just do it here. You know what? Why not? So a few things that I picked up. So the first thing was obviously some dry shampoo. I have tried a lot of different dry shampoos, but I always go back to this one. It's just the best. And this is the Batiste, I don't know, dry shampoo, and this one's a Clean and Light Bear. So yeah, picked up just regular, just any type of coconut shea lotion. This is by Suave, just because I ran out of body lotion. I love the Sunbum SPH chapstick. This stuff is great. Also, it has SPH 30 This one's the coconut flavor. I love the vanilla one, but this one is awesome. I love that it has sunscreen in it because, like I said, I'll be in California by the beach. My lips get so chapped and burnt, so this will be awesome. Picked up, I love this. This is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. This is the step 1. They have like a step 2 and it's like gel but without the light. I love it. I always paint my nails with this brand, so I got this to kind of match my nails. Like, it was very similar. It's not, okay, now that I look at it in store, it's not anything like it, but it's similar. It's just not as bright, but yes. And then lastly, I'm so excited. This is like my first ever fanny pack purse thing. I got this cute, just shiny material little fanny pack from the brand I thought it's from Wild Fable, but it's not. This is from Shade and Shore, but this is literally so cute just to like throw on over as a purse, so can't wait to wear that this weekend. Hey guys, so I'm back home, but I wanted to show you the recent purchases that I got off Poshmark. Obviously, I showed you this Louis Vuitton like Apple Watch band, and then I also got, like, came with a box too, this Michael Kors bracelet, and it's kind of like one of those like dog tag things. It says Michael Kors really small on it. And then I got, these are my favorite thing after the Apple Watch is my first, but these are so cute. They're like little Gucci scrunchies this girl made, like hand makes them, and they're so cute. I got 3 for $10, but she threw in an extra one because she had shipped it really late. Like, there was a delay with the shipping, so she just gave me an extra one for free. But like, look at how cute they are, and they're like velvet, like kind of like a light grayish, and they're so freaking cute. So I'm giving 2 to Erin, and then I'm keeping 2. I know, best friend goals, you know, but they're like literally so cute. Like, I'll put it on my hand. Like, look at how cute they are. They're so cute. So anyways, this is the fanny pack that I picked up. So cute. And I would just wear it like this because it's gonna be too big, because I'm too small for like fanny packs, but wearing them in, like, as a purse is so cute, right? Like, that's so adorable. So I'm excited to bring that with me to California this weekend and the end of July, because I'm gonna be going to SUR in LA. So this is total like LA vibes for sure. So now I'm back home, and clearly, duh, okay, what? And I need to clean. Like, I need to clean. I need to get everything organized. I need to do my wash, pack. I need to edit a vlog. The last vlog that is up that you guys have seen, my what I eat in a day, I need to edit that and get that up. Okay, put the laundry in, and I'm gonna wait for that to be done because I'm gonna do my darks and then I have to do the whites. But I'm gonna paint my nails, well, my toes. So I thought this was the closest color to my nails. My nails are really bright, but this is pretty close. So I'm going to basically give myself a little spa day, a little pedicure. I'm gonna like scrape my heel, what is it called? Like pumice stone my heels and do all that fun stuff. Hey guys, so I just finished editing and I'm gonna upload it. I look disgusting. Yeah, that actually took me a while because I had to export it twice. It was so annoying, but I'm gonna upload it to YouTube right now.
We all wear different masks for different reasons. Nice.
I need a pack. It is 8:40 and I have not packed at all. So I'm gonna pack, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little vlog. I don't know if it was super long like my last vlog, but anyways, you will see a California vlog real soon, and And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.